How's it going, everybody? My name's Hayden and I'm your host for today on RC Masters, and today we have an unboxing video of the Hobby King Lancaster version 3. It's a PMP kit. I forgot to get a servo, so I'll be using one out of my Skyraider, as I don't currently fly it because it's more of a work of art than anything else and I don't really want to break it yet. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Now, what I've got it all over the table. Just going to take the DSMX controller out of the Skyraider, and yeah, we should be fine. I'll see you guys in a minute once this is back together. Finished product. I've taken the Skyraider servo out and put it in underneath. The bomb bay door is where all the servos and battery goes, which is good. CG's okay, it's just still got to work it out 100%, but other than that, that's it. So what I had to glue was the current balls and the rear strut. I haven't done the wing, as they have bolts, which is good, and just tightened up all of the props, and it runs fine. Soon to take its first maiden flight, but that will be some time now. What I've done also, as you can probably see there, just in the background, is put the antennas out the both ends of the bomb bay door, so it'll have some quite good range. Oh, and that's pretty good aircraft. I want to put a flight stabilizer in here, but we'll see what happens with that. Yeah, thanks guys, and I'll see you when we fly it, especially when it comes to this, but I don't know if I want to fly it yet because it looks so good. We'll see how we go. Alright, cheers guys, peace.